The Section 504 Home Repair Program provides loans and grants to very low-income homeowners to repair, improve or modernize their homes or grants to elderly very low-income homeowners to remove health and safety hazards. Let's discuss Section 504 loans. You can use Section 504 home repair loans to make changes to your home that repair, improve or modernize it. They can also be used to remove any health or safety hazards from your home. Your 504 home repair loan caps out at $20,000, so that's the maximum amount you can receive. They come at a fixed interest rate of 1% and a repayment period of 20 years. However, if you take on a loan of $7,500 or more, it will require full title service. Now discuss Section 504 grants. Section 504 home repair grants have a more limited use than Section 504 home repair loans. You can only use grant funds to remove any health or safety hazards from the home. The home repair grants have a lower available maximum amount as well at $7,500. However, you may be able to combine your grant and loan for a total value of $27,500. Although, if you obtain a grant and then sell your property within 3 years, you'll have to repay the grant amount. So who can qualify for this program? To be eligible for the Section 504 home repair program, you must live in a rural area and be a U.S. citizen or a legal permanent citizen. Be the homeowner and occupier of the house in question. You cannot obtain or afford credit from other lenders. You have a family income of less than 50% of the area's median income. Any individual who is interested in applying for a Section 504 home repair loan or grant can contact their local rural development office. For more information about the Section 504 home repair program, you can visit our website. Link in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.